Good morning, friend. Welcome to my SK channel. Today we are discussing about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic in 10th class. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic is one of the important topics. Previously, you learned the Euclid's division lemma, that is use of find the HCF of the pair of integers, integer numbers. In this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, also used the product of composite numbers and to find the LCM and HCF also. See here, fundamental theorem of arithmetic is, what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic means? Every composite number can be written in the form of product of primes. Means take any composite number, that composite number can be written in the form of product of primes. For example, I am taking 4. That 4 can be written product of 2 primes. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4. So 4 can be written as a 2 into 2. 2 both are prime numbers or not. So product of primes. Every composite number, 4 is a composite number, can be expressed as a product of primes. Composite number that can be expressed as product of primes. And this factorization is unique. Means this factorization is unique, single digit. No another factorization for 2. And apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Are you understood? Okay, it is a 4. I am taking. You take any composite numbers, not prime numbers. There is a composite numbers and prime numbers. 2 numbers are there. In that composite number, you take any composite number, you can express it as a product of primes. And you take any product of primes, that result will be composite numbers. Both are same. You take any composite number, that can be written in the form of product of primes. Otherwise, you take any product of primes, then you will get the composite numbers. See here, I am taking the composite number, you are getting the product of the prime numbers. If you are getting the 2 into 2 product of primes, you get the composite numbers. I am taking the more large numbers, it is a single digit number. I am taking the ambulance number 108. Okay, 108 is a composite or prime number. You are higher class students, you know which is the prime number, which is the composite number. Easily identify composite or prime number means first to learn the divisibility rules. What are the divisibility rules? At least you know the 10 divisibility rules. First see here, once digit have 8, then it is divisible by 2. Then it is a composite number very easily. Why? Because more than 2 factors are there, the numbers are called composite number. 1 and itself numbers are called prime numbers. Means that number is in one table and itself table, then the numbers are called prime numbers. More than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Then it is a composite number. Why? Because one's place is 8, then it is in 8 table will come, and third table also 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 in 9 3 table. So it have more factors. Then it is a composite number. Then I am taking the LCM of the 108. 108. First to try in 2 table. After you are not getting the 2 table, next you go to third table. Next third table you not coming means second table already it is not came. So you are going to 4th table also it is not possible. Next you are going to 5 table. Again 6 table. 6 table second table not there and third table not there means sixth table also it is not. Like that, orderly you go the process. Here I am first to taking not one table, starts from two table onwards. First I am checking it two table. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Next, again 4 is there, so 2 table which is positive. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder here, 14. 2 7s are 14. Here 7 is there. 7 in not in 2 table. So 7. So add the two numbers. 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 in 3 table. Don't go to 9 table directly. In order we go. First, second table, not possible. Next you are going to third table. 3 9s are 27. Again you are getting the 9. 9 is not in 2 table. Then you are going to third table. 3 3 is 9. Then see here, finally you are getting the prime number or not? Until you will get the prime number. Finally you have prime number. Then stop here. 108 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay? I am simply writing this one only. How many 2s are there? 2 2s are there into how many 3s are there? 3 3s are there. So these all are product of primes. 108 is a composite number. You take any composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. And factorization is unique. This factorization is unique. 2 and 3. It is unique one. How many times 2 times are there? Then you are writing the unique time. That means single time you can write. How many 2s? 2 2s are there and 3 3s are there. Is it clear? Are understood?